Good morning, students. So far we discussed some basic concept in parabola. What are the concepts so far we discussed? Standard equation of the parabola, that is y squared equal to 4ax. We already worked out the standard equation of the parabola, y squared equal to 4ax. Another concept is tracing the parabola. Tracing the parabola, y squared equal to 4ax. Standard equation first. The second one is tracing the parabola, y squared equal to 4ax. In that heading, we are discussing about some basic definition. Number 1, vertex. Number 2, axis. Again, lattice rectangle. These concepts we already discussed. What is the meaning of vertex? Vertex is the point of intersection of the parabola and the axis of the parabola. The point of intersection of the parabola and the axis of the parabola is called vertex. What is meant by axis? The axis of symmetry is called axis of the parabola. What is the meaning of symmetry? For example, the parabola y squared equal to 4ax symmetrical about x-axis. This is called symmetrical about x-axis. This is called vertex. See, this parabola and the axis of the parabola intersecting at only one place, that is called vertex. This point is a fixed point, this is called focus. This is a fixed line, this line is called directrix. So far we discussed all the concept. Focus is a fixed point a comma 0. Directrix is passing through the point minus a comma 0. So lattice rectangle. What is the meaning of lattice rectangle? We already discussed. The focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. The focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola is called a lattice rectangle. This is the total length of the lattice rectangle. We already discussed 4a. Again, the endpoints L and L dash are called endpoints. This is called a comma 2a. Again a comma minus 2a. All these concepts we already discussed. So vertex, lattice rectangle, axis, then the types of the parabola. Then we are having 4 types of the parabola. That is also already we discussed. What are the types? Y squared equal to 4ax. Y squared equal to 4ax. Open right. This parabola is called open right. See here, y squared equal to 4ax, open right side. So we can call as open right. The number 2 is y squared equal to minus 4ax. This is open left. This is open left. Number 3 is x squared equal to 4ay. X squared equal to 4ay is open up. Then the last one, x squared equal to minus 4ay, open down. Open down. So far we discussed all the types of the parabolas. In this type, we are worked out some basic results. What are the results so far we discussed? Number 1, vertex. So far we discussed some basic results. Number 1, vertex. Number 2, focus. Number 3, equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. Number 4, axis. Number 5, length of the lattice rectangle. Number 6, equation of the lattice rectangle. Number 7, endpoints of the lattice rectangle. Endpoints of the lattice rectangle. So regarding all these 4 types of the parabola, we discussed 7 results. All these 7 results applicable for all 4 types of the parabola. Now we are going to again recall these things and we are working out some standard results. Now listen. Make a tabular column. In this tabular column, you are able to check all the 4 results already we worked out. Now see, Types of the parabolas. How many types we are having? 4 types. In these 4 types, how many results we are having? For each type, we are having 7 results. So that make a tabular column, then easy for your analyzing. Number what are the results we need? Vertex. Number 2, focus. Number 3, directrix. Number 4, axis. Number 5, length of the lattice rectangle. Number 6, equation of the lattice rectangle. Number 7, endpoints of the lattice rectangle. So we are going to work out all these 7 results. Number 1, vertex. Number 2, focus. Number 3, directrix. Number 4, axis. Number 5, length of the lattice rectangle. Number 6, equation of the lattice rectangle. Number 7, endpoints of the lattice rectangle. Now, type number 1, y squared equal to 4ax. Number 1 type, y squared equal to 4ax. You can draw immediately, you can draw a rough diagram. Then you are able to get very simple knowledge. See here, draw a simple diagram here. Type number 1, y squared equal to 4ax. Type number 1 diagram is simple like this. Draw a simple diagram. This is x-axis, directrix, this is y-axis, vertex, this is focus. See, immediately you can recall the diagram. Y squared equal to 4ax. Type number 1, the name is open right side. Type number 1 parabola is, you can make a word here, y squared equal to 4ax, open right. You can say this, open right. Immediately you are able to work out. Type number 1 is open right side. Type number 1, y squared equal to 4ax. Say the type open right. Now we are able to recall all the results. Then you are able to fill this tabular column very simple way. Vertex for all the type is 0, 0. So vertex is 0, 0 for all the type. Type number 1 is y squared equal to 4ax. Type number 2 is y squared equal to minus 4ax. This is open left. This is open left. Immediately you can draw a simple diagram like this. See, this is a simple diagram. Already we discussed everything. Just for your recalling all the concept. This is vertex. This is focus. This is directrix L. Here also this is directrix L. For these 2 types, I can justify the answers. Very simple. Vertex 0, 0. For type number 2 is also vertex 0, 0. Then focus. Focus for type number 1. See here focus. See here focus. Type number 1, focus lies on positive direction of x-axis. This is the positive direction of x-axis. So we can say, already we know a, 0. Here the focus F is, it lies on the negative direction. Therefore, we can say minus a, 0. Now, the third one is directrix. Equation of the directrix. See, this is the directrix. This directrix passing through the point minus a, 0, we already know. So we can say x equal to minus a, or you can write like this, x plus a equal to 0. Here the immediate value x minus a equal to 0. Now axis. For type number 1 and 2, see, x-axis, it is symmetrical about x-axis. So symmetrical about x-axis means x-axis is the axis, its equation. Axis is x-axis, axis is x-axis. Its equation y equal to 0. We need this result. Equation of the axis y equal to 0. Here also y equal to 0, because for both this type number 1 and 2, x-axis is the axis because it is symmetrical. What is the meaning of symmetrical? Identical. So it is identical above x-axis. Here also identical above x-axis. Therefore, x-axis is the axis, its equation y equal to 0. Now, length of the lattice rectum. Already we worked out. For all the 4 types, length must be 4a only. We already worked out. Because length never changes. Length means, see here, this is the length of the lattice rectum. Here also, length of the lattice rectum. What is the definition of lattice rectum? The focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So this is the focal chord perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Therefore, its length is 4a. It is for all the 4 types. Now see here, endpoints of the lattice rectum. For type number 1, it lies in the first and 4th quadrant. We already worked out. This is A. Therefore, L is A, 2A. L dash is A, minus 2A. See, this lies in the first quadrant. Therefore, we can take A, 2A. It lies in the 4th quadrant. So, the value of y must be negative. A, minus 2A. This is the endpoints of the lattice rectum. See here, endpoints of the lattice rectum of type number 2, it lies in the 2nd quadrant. Therefore, L must be minus A, 2A. Here L dash lies in the 3rd quadrant here. Therefore, minus A, minus 2A. So, points depends upon the quadrants. See here L first and 4th. Here L first. L dash, sorry, second, here second and 3rd, minus A, 2A, minus A, minus 2A, because the focus is minus A, 0, already we fixed the focus. Here also minus A, then here also minus A, because what is the definition? It is a focal chord. It must pass through the focus, perpendicular to the x-axis. So minus A, 2A, minus 2A. Endpoints of the, sorry, this is endpoints. This is endpoints. We already discussed about this is endpoints. Now equation of the lattice rectum. We worked out now equation of the lattice rectum. See here, equation means this is lattice rectum, here also lattice rectum. Lattice rectum passing through the focus. What is the value of focus? A, 0. Therefore, x equal to a, or you can say x minus a equal to 0. We can simply memorize this one. Directrix is x plus a. Here directrix. Then equidistance opposite is called lattice rectum. So here x plus a, see here x minus a. Simple memory. Here x plus a, directrix. Here equation of the lattice rectum, x minus a. In the same way, here x minus a. Therefore here we can say x plus a. This is the results of the first 2 types. What are the first 2 types? Type number 1 is y squared equal to 4ax, open right. Type number 2 is y squared equal to minus 4ax, open left. So see here, open right side, open left side. Then compare the results, take down. Vertex is common. P 0, 0, here also 0, 0. Focus, A, 0. Simply you are able to memorize. See here, A is positive. Simply you can say A is positive. Here, consider this as a negative A, so minus A. Simply you can understand. Then directrix, it must be equidistance when compared with the focus, but it lies in the opposite direction. See here, minus a. Therefore, x equal to minus a. We can say x plus a. Here x plus a means here x minus a. Then axis is common, y equal to 0, because x-axis is the axis, then y equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectum never changes, so 4a, because it's a length. Length is always same only wherever it lies. Then endpoints. Endpoints of the lattice rectum, say a, 2a, then a, minus 2a. Here, same, but opposite direction. That means second and third. In second quadrant, x takes negative. minus a comma 2a. Here minus a comma minus 2a. Then equation of the lattice rectangle. It is opposite to the directrix. See here, this is directrix, this is lattice rectangle. See here, this is directrix, this is lattice rectangle. So it must be opposite to the directrix. Already directrix is x plus a. Here x minus a. See here x minus a, x plus a. This is the type number 1 and 2. All 7 results we compare. In the same way, we are going to work out type number 3 and 4. When compared with the same concept, we are going to work out type number 3 and 4. You are able to memorize all these things very simple way. See here, type number 3 is x squared equal to 4ay. Type number 4 is x squared equal to minus 4ay. This is called open up. This is called open down. Up and down. This is open up, open down. See here, already we discussed the diagram, but once again, just recall the things. You can recall the things very simple way. No need to memory. With the help of the diagram, we are able to work out all these results. Now listen, open up, open down. First I can draw the diagram in simple way. See, this is called open up parabola. So dear students, you must learn the concept in very high level. You need all these things in your other subject like physics also, because parabola is one of the important concepts. Parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So you need these diagrams in very high way and no need to memory anything. See here, this is focus. This must be directrix L. See, the same way we can draw. This is x-axis, origin 0, 0. This is called open down. See here, this is directrix L. This is y-axis. This must be focus. So this is called open down. See here, open up, open down. Type number 1, open right. Another one is type number 2, open left. From this, we are able to work out all the results. By using this diagram, you are able to work out. Already I discussed it. Vertex. Vertex is for all the 4 types. 0, 0 only. Vertex is for all the 4 types 0, 0. First 2 types compare, the vertex is 0, 0. Here also 0, 0. Because the definition of the vertex is parabola and the axis point of intersection. The point of intersection of the parabola and the axis is called vertex. So it passes through the origin. So vertex is 0, 0. Number 2, focus. See here, first type a, 0. Here 0, a, that's all. Because it lies in the y-axis. Type number 1 lies in the x-axis. Here type number 3 lies in the y-axis. In the same way here, lies in the y-axis but a negative direction. So 0, minus a. This is type number 2 result. Number 3, directrix. Already we worked out the directrix. See here, this is the directrix. This directrix equidistance from the focus to vertex and the vertex to the directrix all are equal. Here 0, a. Here 0, minus a. But here it lies in the y-axis. Therefore we can say y equal to minus a is the directrix, or you can say y plus a equal to 0. As per your convenient you can write. Here see y minus a equal to 0. This is the directrix. Directrix means equation of the directrix. Number 4 is axis. Axis is already we discussed in type number 1 and 2. Axis of symmetry is called axis of the parabola. Here y-axis, for both y-axis is the axis, its equation. Y-axis is the axis, its equation x equal to 0. Here also x equal to 0. Number 5, length of the lattice rectangle. Already I explained, length must be common for all the 4 types. So 4a, length of the lattice rectangle is 4a. Now, the another one concept, equation of the lattice rectangle. I already explained, equation of the lattice rectangle. Compare with the directrix, then change the symbol. Y plus a, here y minus a equal to 0. See here y minus a, here y plus a equal to 0. The reason already explained. See, this is the directrix. Directrix is y plus a. Then lattice rectangle equal to opposite direction. Equal line but opposite. You see here also. This is the lattice rectangle. This line passes through the focus. What is the value of focus here? 0, a. That means y equal to a. Convert to the other side. We can get y plus a equal to, sorry, y minus a equal to 0. Here y plus a equal to 0. Now for the 7th, end points of the lattice rectangle. End points. See the end points of the lattice rectangle. Already explained. Here L, L dash. See here L, L dash. When compared with the type number 1. What is your type number 1? A comma 2a. Just change it only. A comma 2a changes to 2a comma a. Because here focus is 0 comma a. That means 2a comma a. This is L. L dash. But opposite. See here. L dash must be here. So a comma. Sorry. 2a comma with negative. Then a. So a comma minus 2a. Type number 1. Here minus 2a comma. So the same concept here, L and L dash. See, this is L, this is L dash. Here L is just to change here. Here L, 2a. Compare with this one. Here it must be minus a. Then L dash, the same one. It lies in the third one. Minus 2a comma minus a. Minus 2a comma a. So these are the results regarding with the 4 types of the parabolas. So we must learn the basic results without memory. By using the diagrammatic explanation, you are able to recall all the results. So we are already worked out the basic definitions and the basic results, all 4 types so far we discussed. Now we are having only one more theoretical concept. After that, regarding all these results, we are going to work out some problems. Now, for just now I am explained, for all the 4 types, vertex is 0, 0. Vertex is a point. For all the 4 types, it is 0, 0 only. But now, a new type of concept we are going to work out regarding this vertex. The heading is shifting the vertex. Shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to from 0, 0 to VH, K. This is the heading. Regarding this, we are having some theoretical concept. Shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to VH, K. Now in general, for all the 4 types, vertex is common, that is V0, 0. The point of intersection of the parabola and the axis of the parabola. That means all the parabolas passing through the vertex V0, 0. In general, vertex is 0, 0. But sometimes, vertex shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, VH, K. That is a new concept. Listen, I am going to draw a common diagram. From this, you are able to get the ideas. So this is the common vertex 0, 0. Now this vertex is shifting from this place to some other place, h comma k. In general, we are saying the h comma k is a point lies in the first quadrant. Now we can draw a new axis parallel to the original axis. This is original axis, x-axis, y-axis. But the shifting vertex from 0, 0 to some other place. Then you can draw a new axis. These axes are called capital X and capital Y. These are parallel to small x and small y. Now this parabola passing through this vertex. This is the concept. See here. In general, vertex passing through all the parabolas passing through the vertex regarding as the types. But instead of this vertex, the new vertex is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, h, k. That is the point. Instead of this first quadrant, it may lies in the second, third, fourth also. So depends upon the vertex, we are able to draw the diagram regarding as type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. So we can draw a type number 1 shifting the vertex from 0, 0 to some other place. For this, I am going to say the equation of this. Equation of this parabola. Equation is, see, this is type number 1 regarding as capital X and capital Y. Then formula is capital Y is going to equal to 4a into capital X. In general, this capital Y is replaced as y minus k the whole squared equal to 4a into capital X is replaced by x minus h. So this is the equation of the parabola reference to capital X, capital Y. This is the equation of the parabola reference to small x and small y. So y squared equal to 4ax. Say this is type number 1 parabola regarding as capital X and capital Y. So we can make the equation is y squared equal to 4ax, use the capital X and capital Y. In general, capital X is always replaced by x minus h. Then capital Y is always replaced by y minus k. These are the shifting from the vertex 0, 0 to some other place. Instead of this, we are able to use, suppose lies in the second quadrant, or it may lies in the third quadrant, it may lies in the fourth quadrant, whatever may be. So vertex may be placed in any quadrant. And also, I am taking the first type of the parabola. Instead of first type, we can use any other type also. For example, instead of first type, if the equation of the parabola is, for example, like this is type number 1. Suppose equation may be forming like this, y squared equal to minus 4ax. So now y minus k the whole squared is equal to minus 4a x minus h. See, this is type number 2. So for example, type number 3, x squared equal to 4ay. This x is replaced by x minus h the whole squared equal to 4a. Y is replaced by y minus k. Say this is type number 3, shifting the vertex. Then the fourth type is capital X squared equal to minus 4a capital Y. Now x minus h the whole squared equal to minus 4a. Y is replaced by y minus b. So in general, vertex is 0, 0. But if the vertex is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, then I am drawing the diagram for type number 1 only. So we can work out for any type. So equation is y squared equal to 4ax. It is replaced by, in general, x is replaced by x minus h, y is replaced by y minus k. We can change the capital X and the capital Y regarding as with reference to small x and small y. So we are able to work out these concepts also. So far we discussed all theoretical concept about the parabolas. Dear students, you have to work out all these theoretical concepts. If you are very strong in theoretical concept, then working out the problem is very simple. It is very simplest way. But you have to work out the theoretical concept. So far we discussed what are the theory, standard equation of the parabola. Then tracing the parabola. In the tracing the parabola, we discussed about some definitions, vertex, and then what is the meaning of focus, what is the meaning of directrix, what is the meaning of symmetry, then axis of symmetry, then lattice rectum, endpoints of the lattice rectum, then equation of the lattice rectum. So far we discussed all the definitions. With the help of the definition, we are creating some standard results. Then after that, we are shifting the types. Work out the standard type. From that, we are able to work out the type. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the types? Y squared equal to 4ax. Y squared equal to 4ax is called type number 1, open right side. Then y squared equal to minus 4ax, the same one but open left side. X squared equal to 4ay, open up. The same one, x squared equal to minus 4ay, open down. With the help of the diagram, no need to memory any results. With the help of the diagram, try to work out the results. What are the results? Number 1, vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum, equation of the lattice rectum, then endpoints of the lattice rectum. So questions may be asked based on these 7 results only. So now we are going to work out the problems based on the, so far we discussed the results. Then take down the problems. If you are very strong in your theoretical concept, see the problems are very simple only. No need to memory, just work out the diagrams, draw the diagrams. If you are very strong in your diagrammatic explanation, then all results must be based on the diagrammatic explanations only. See, this is a common heading. Find vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum. LLR means length of the lattice rectum, and the equation of the lattice rectum. Vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectum, and equation of the lattice rectum for the following. So this is a question number 1 based on the results. Now listen, question number, from this subdivision number 1 is y squared equal to 16x. This is question number 1. Y squared equal to 16x. Now immediately you can compare with any one type of the following parabolas. We already worked out 4 types. See, y squared equal to 16x. Immediately you can compare with this type number 1. We already worked out y squared equal to 4ax. Immediately you can match the given question with any one of the 4 type of the parabolas. Y squared equal to 16, we already worked out. Y squared equal to 4ax. See here, y squared LHS, here also y squared LHS. X here also x. Then this compare with the 16, then with the 4a. Therefore, we can make sure 4a equal to 16, from that a equal to 4. So very comparatively, you can study the concept. So 4a equal to 16, a equal to 4. Then listen, we already worked out this is type number 1 parabola. This is type number 1 parabola. What is the name? Open right side. So open right side, already we worked out a. A must be a positive quantity only, because a is the positive measure. So type number 1 parabola, we already worked out. This is type number 1. So this is type number 1 means open right side. Immediately you can draw the diagram. So open right side. Say here, this must be vertex 0, 0. Because what is the definition? The meeting place of the parabola and the axis of the parabola is called vertex. This is vertex. Here must be focus. What is the rules or value for focus? A, 0. This must be the directrix. This directrix passing through minus a, 0. Very simply memory, you can memorize the concept. Vertex is the midpoint of F and A, this directrix L. So this is yes, Z. So already in the basic theoretical concept, V is the vertex. It must be the midpoint of F and Z. So always you can memory this one. Now from this diagram, you need a vertex. See the first result. Number 1 result is vertex. See the diagram. Vertex is 0, 0. Why should you memory the concept? No need to memory. From this diagram you are able to work out. Then what is the second one? We need focus. Focus FEC, A comma 0 is the basic result. Instead of A already we worked out the number numerical value. So 4 comma 0. So type number 1, draw the diagram, fix the value A, then compare this result. You can substitute the data. Number 3, what is the number third question is directrix. This is the directrix. This line parallel to, sorry, this is not Y, here Y, here this is L. See here, this L is parallel to Y axis. Any line parallel to Y axis, then its equation x equal to constant. See, directrix. Any line parallel to this line directrix parallel to Y axis, then x equal to constant. What is the constant here? Minus A. X equal to minus A. We already worked out the result A. Therefore, convert into the same side x plus A. X plus 4 equal to 0. So compare this line. This line is the directrix. This line parallel to Y axis. Any line parallel to X axis. Then its equation is x equal to constant. Instead of that constant, here having the value 4. So just a substitute. Then what is the fourth value? Fourth value is axis. See, this line, sorry, this diagram symmetrically about X axis. So then axis is X axis. Its equation is axis is Y equal to 0. You can write like this, X axis. So X axis is the axis. Its equation Y equal to 0. Now point number 5. Length of the lattice rectangle. I already explained. Length of the lattice rectangle never changes for any type. Length of the lattice rectangle equal to 4A. Here A already worked out. 4 into the value of 16. So this is the length of the lattice rectangle. So 4 times A. Already we worked out 4A equal to 16. The number 6 is equation of the lattice rectangle. I already explained. See here, lattice rectangle is a focal chord. What is the meaning of chord? It joining any 2 points on this parabola. It must be called as a focal chord. What is the meaning of focal chord? It passes through the focus, then we can say focal chord. Then this focal chord perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. That is a definition. So see here, this is the perpendicular line. Therefore, you are able to recall all the theoretical concept with the help of this diagram. You are able to say this is a focal chord. Why you are calling focal chord? It passes through the focus, then you can say it is a focal chord. Then as well as it perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, the definition you are able to create. The focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola is called lattice rectangle. Length means from this dimension. This is the length. Equation means this line again parallel to Y axis. This line again parallel to Y axis means x equal to constant. See, x equal to A. So we can say equation of the lattice rectangle is x equal to A, or you can convert in the same side x minus A. That means x minus A value is already 4. In theoretical concept I already explained. Here x plus 4, here x minus. Just a change. See, this is the lattice rectangle, this is the directrix. If you are getting the directrix, just a simple, change the symbol. See, directrix, x plus 4. Here directrix, just opposite to this directrix, equidistant, that is equation of the lattice rectangle. So x equal to A, or you can say x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is called, regarding as the type, you can compare the equation. This is the given, maybe a 5 more question. So very simple concept, no need to memory. Just recall the type of the parabola. First fix the type. Y squared equal to 16x. Immediately you can match the given with any 4 standard type. What are the 4 type? Open right side. See this diagram? Open right side. Then compare with the standard. Find out the value of A. A must be, listen this word, A must be positive only. So don't create A as a negative. A is always positive because A is the distance from vertex to the focus. This is the distance. Here also vertex to the focus is A. So here is the focus. Focus lies in the positive direction. It must be a point. A is not a point. A is the quantity. It is a value. But it is a distance. Here F is a point. Point lies in here x-axis. So it must be A, 0. In the same way, Z is also a point. but it lies in the x dash, negative direction. Therefore, we can say minus a comma 0. So this is the important concept. So you have to derive a as a positive unit for any time. After that, draw the diagram. When compared with this diagram, you are able to create all the results as per in your question. Same model, you can work out the sum number 2. You are going to listen, students. We discussed a model number 1 question. Y squared equal to 16x. In the same model, listen here, y squared equal to minus 8x. We are going to find out the same concept: vertex, focus, directrix, axis, length of the lattice rectangle, equation of the lattice rectangle. The same concept. See here, y squared equal to minus 8x. Compare with the standard equation, y squared equal to minus 4ax. This is called type number 2 parabola. Type number 2 name is open left side. See here, y squared, same y squared. Minus symbol, minus symbol. X, x. These are common. Listen here, 4a equal to this constant 8. Therefore, we can say 4a equal to 8. From this, a equal to 2. Listen very carefully. A must be positive quantity only. Don't get negative there. See, type number 2 diagram. We already discussed type number 2. This is y-axis. This is L. This is x-axis. X dash here. This must be origin. That is technical name is vertex. This is focus. See here, minus a comma 0. This is directrix. Z passing through this point Z, a comma 0. Diagram is over. From this diagram, we are able to write all the result. For any type, vertex is 0 comma 0 only. Because what is the definition? The point of intersection of this parabola and the axis. Here only one place is the point of intersection. So that is called vertex. So vertex is v0 comma 0. Number 2 is focus. See this diagram, focus F. The value of F is minus a comma 0. Because it lies in the x dash. So it gets negative. Another one is 0. Already we have put the value of A equal to, see here, minus 2 comma 0. Now the third one is directrix. The third one is directrix. See this line passing through the point x equal to a. So therefore this is called x equal to a, or we can write like this, x minus a. Both are same only. Number 4. Axis is x-axis. Its equation. Axis is x-axis. Its equation y equal to 0. Axis is x-axis. Its equation y equal to 0. Number 5. Length of the lattice rectangle. It is always 4a. So that means 4 into a equal to here 2. Therefore we can get 8. Number 6. Equation of lattice rectangle. See here. This is lattice rectangle. The point focus is here minus a. The line passing through the focus, that is called focal chord. Here see x equal to minus a. So x equal to minus a. Or you can write, instead of a you can substitute the value. See here, x plus a, the value of a is 2 here. Already we discussed it. See here, a equal to here also you can replace the number 2. Already I have explained. Focus and the directrix equidistant from the vertex but opposite direction. See this is a comma 0, here minus a comma 0. Directrix is x minus 2. Then see the symbol is changing, x plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the lattice rectangle. So what? 6 questions they are asking. Vertex, focus, directrix. Listen, directrix and equation of the lattice rectangle. Compare this one. Here x minus 2 equal to 0 means here x plus 2. How? That is you have to raise this question. This is directrix passing through the point x equal to a, converting the same side x minus a. Instead of a I am substituting. See this is the lattice rectangle. It passing through the point x equal to minus a, converting to the same side, we can get x plus 2. So x plus 2 equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectangle never changes. This is the concept of finding all these 6 results. In the same model, just we are going to work out a same model question, one more question, that is question number 3. Listen, the same concept, you are going to work out the same concept. X squared equal to 24y. See this one, compare with x squared equal to 4ay. This is type 3. What is the name of type 3? Open upward parabola. So open upward parabola, compare with x squared equal to 24y with x squared equal to 4ay. This 24 is equal to 4a. Therefore, 4a equal to 24. From this we can say a equal to 6. See this, a equal to 6. So now, the name of this parabola is type number 3, open up. The name is open up. Open upward diagram you have to draw. This is open up, say y-axis, x-axis. This is vertex 0, 0. This is the directrix L. Focus must be here. See, the focus is 0, a. Here the directrix Z passing through 0, minus a. Passing through 0, minus a. So with the help of this diagram, we are able to work out. The vertex is same one, V0, 0. Now see the focus. The focus is 0, a. A is here 6. So substitute the value 0, 6. Now see the directrix. Here this is directrix. The value is y equal to minus a. See this, y equal to minus a, or convert this y plus a equal to 0. That means replace a as 6. Now y plus 6 equal to 0. Now axis is here, see, this is axis. The parabola symmetric about y-axis. Therefore, axis is y-axis. Its equation is x equal to 0. So you have to write the equation. Now length of the lattice rectangle, result is 4a. See, this is result is 4a. Now a equal to 6 here. So therefore 6 into becomes 24. Now the sixth result is equation of lattice rectangle. I already explained directrix. When compared with the directrix, equation of the lattice rectangle changes its symbol only. Here y plus 6. Therefore we can get y minus 6 equal to 0. So here y plus 6, here y minus 6. See the comparison. This is the directrix. This directrix passing through the point minus a. That means y value is minus a. Very simple. Here what is the value of x? 0. Just leave it. Here what is the value of y? Y equal to minus a. Compare with the same side. Then y plus a. So y plus a equal to 0. Instead of a, replace the value. This is the equation of the directrix. Always compare these two results. See here, y plus, y minus. So y plus, y minus. Compare this one. Then fix the directrix. Since the value of y is here plus, it must contains positive only. Then just change the symbol. Axis means, see the diagram, symmetrical about which axis? Y axis. Therefore its equation is x equal to 0. So compare with the diagram, find out the result. That is the very simplest way. Otherwise you have to memory 28 results. Each type having 7 results. 7 into 4. You have to memorize 28 results. No need to memory. Just diagram, then substitute the data. From this, you have to replace the value of a only. So that you are already finding out the value of a. The same type. One more question. See the question number 4. X squared equal to minus 4y. X squared equal to minus 4y. See here, compare with this type. X squared equal to minus 4ay. Type 4, the name is open down. That's all. Open down, compare with C. Here 4 equal to 4a. That means 4a equal to 4. Now say a equal to 1. So here also negative, here also negative. So avoid the negative. Take the constant 4a equal to 4. From that a equal to 1. Now see this diagram. Already we are giving the name open down. That's all. This is open down. This is open down. See here. This is must be vertex. So x-axis, y-axis, focus here, directrix here, This is Z. Focus must be 0, comma minus A because it lies in the y dash. It lies in the y dash. See here, 0, comma minus A, it should be in the positive 0, comma A. From this diagram, you are able to write all the results. Vertex is always common for all the 4 types. What is the definition of vertex? Point of intersection of the parabola and the axis. See this diagram. The parabola, in how many places it is intersecting? Only one place. Intersecting at only one place. That is called vertex. So vertex is always same for all the 4 types. 0, comma 0. Now see the focus here. Focus 0, comma minus A. That means 0, comma instead of A already fixed. 0, comma minus 1. See the directrix. This is the directrix. Directrix passing through A. Therefore, y equal to A. So convert in the same side. We can get y minus A equal to 0. Instead of A, what is the value? See? 1. So y minus 1 equal to 0. See the axis. Axis is y axis. Its equation x equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectangle 4a. But a value is 1. Therefore, we can get 4. Then compare with the directrix. We are able to work out equation of the directrix. See here y minus 1. So it should be y plus 1. That's all. So we are able to compare the diagram, then work out the results. Therefore, x squared equal to minus 4y. Then compare the results. So you are able to work out. So far we discussed 4 types of the parabola. Regarding these 4 types, we have worked out 4 problems. So dear students, so far we discussed all the types of the definitions, all the standard results, and all the types of the parabola. With the help of the types, you have to draw the diagram first. After that, from this diagram, you are able to write the result. Thank you.